Darling, you send me, I know you. Oh God, I can't fucking see. There's normally two on the bottom and one up there, but where the animals who had it before messed around with it, we're already missing screws. You are fucking hopeless. You know I'm not going to have a YouTube career. Is there a speedo cable? No. It's all electric. One there, one there, one there. That one's really difficult to get out. Okay. More signs it's been had apart is there's a couple of clips broken on it. What it was. Basically just got to split it on the back, on the front, and then we'll separate this section as well, which is actually the binnacle around the clocks. Get to the circuit board. So what I got to do is I've got to separate it here and here, and also here and here as well. Okay. And that's going to split the clear, the binnacles. It's going to take this part off, and then the circuit board will come off in between. That's the broken clip where somebody's been in it already. and then there's two. There's one there and one there. Oh, sorry, the third one. Right there. There we go. Panel. So that's the board. But in order to get the board off, I've got to take this off now, which is pretty much the same sort of thing. It's just a matter of pulling the clear plastic off and getting them out. Then it's just repeat the same process, because where are they? Like with clips here, around here, and it just takes this trim panel off. Never try to pull the needles off on the front, because it will completely wreck the dials, which is like a common thing on most cars. You just pull the needle off, take that panel off, and you can see behind it, right here, and again here, here, and here, are these metal tabs right there. Right there, these metal tabs. And you just bend them up. Probably with a set of cutters would be easier. Them out and bent back, and push centre panel right level. There we go. And then it means that that panel comes off. Now I'm going to lather, rinse, repeat for these two. That actually doesn't look too bad a camera angle.
Move the angle.
Yeah.
So how many BHP will this give you?
Oh, at least 20. And then this is the engine management light. Is right there. So now with that like that, the circuit board just drops straight off.
is now. He didn't do the clap sync.
Oh, yeah. Well, we're only filming with one camera. I just swallowed.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I don't know. Not a story for me. So, bing!
Engine
on.
management light. Yay.
Yeah.
So now when you start it should go off, is it? Or is...
Technically,